Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. On behalf of Foundation Blue, I'd like to welcome you to Follow Samoa. We're the local time here in Samoa. It's now 11:45 in the morning. For your confidence, safety, and safety of other guests around you, we do ask you to please remain seated with the seatbelt securely fastened. Keep the arms and exits clear until arrival at gate and the captain has turned on the seatbelt sign. Please have your passports and all travel documents ready for inspection by the authorities. Check to make sure you have all your personal belongings with you before leaving the aircraft. And please take care when opening overhead lockers and signs are available during our flight. To help you get on your way as quickly as possible today, we're disembarking through the front and rear doors. Smoking is not permitted on the tarmac or inside the terminal building. And if your mobile phone is within easy reach, you may now turn it on while we take you to the terminal building. We'd like to thank you for choosing to fly Foundation Blue this morning. We hope you've enjoyed your flight back today. It's certainly been our pleasure looking after you on board. On behalf of the entire crew, may we wish you all a safe on the journey or a warm welcome home. Bye-bye.